Hello, this is Shamim from Intellixel.com. This month we have made so many web applications for our clients. Now I'm going to show you how many applications we have made for our clients. So let's have a look.
If you need any kind of software or web related solution, probably Intellixel get you back. Intellixel is providing a lot of services to their customer. They have already started giving their solutions to the customer. So how many solutions they're going to provide for their customers? Today I'm gonna discuss all those solutions, all those applications that is being made by Intellixel.com. So Subhash.edu. This is EdTech. If you need any kind of EdTech solution, probably Intellixel is giving you a beautiful solution. So this is UI UX design, and there has backend, front end, and course. All those things is included in this software. So if you need any kind of EdTech related solution, probably this demo will help you how beautifully we work. Another Greenwood. This is a portfolio software, and if you need any kind of portfolio software for your business, for your personal activities, probably Intellixel give you the best. And this is newspaper. So if you need any kind of blog site, newspaper site, whatever, probably we are providing a best service to you. At the same time, we are making another software or website. This is e-commerce. We're gonna discuss this e-commerce site next. How beautifully we made this site. UI UX design and backend, frontend, API, all those things included properly, and it works beautifully. And yeah, Intellixel is going to launch a new product. This is a SaaS product: invoicing, financial statement, and ticket booking. Next month you get this SaaS product probably. If you need any kind of solution, you just knock Intellixel.com. Intellixel.com is always ready to serve you. Thank you so much.